Meditation is like a special time for your mind. It helps you find peace and quiet inside yourself. Everyone can meditate. It is like a gift you give yourself. Meditation can help you feel calm. It can help you focus better. You can learn to understand your own mind. People have been meditating for a very long time. It started thousands of years ago. In India, meditation was part of spiritual practices. In other parts of the world, people also meditated. They wanted to find peace and wisdom. Meditation is a journey into yourself. Meditation is good for your mind and body. When you meditate, you feel less stressed. You can manage your emotions better. Meditation can also make your body healthier. It can help lower your blood pressure. Some people sleep better when they meditate. There are many ways to meditate. One type is called mindfulness meditation. You pay attention to your breath. You notice your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Another type is called walking meditation. You walk slowly and pay attention to each step. You can find a type of meditation that works for you. Section 5. Your first steps on the meditation journey. You don't need anything special to meditate. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Start by focusing on your breath. Notice the air going in and out of your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Section 6. Breathing. The anchor of your practice. Your breath is a powerful tool in meditation. It helps you focus your mind. When you breathe in, say to yourself, breathing in, I calm my body. When you breathe out, say, breathing out, I smile. This helps you connect with a sense of peace. Keep your attention on your breath. Section 7. Posture and place. Setting the stage. Find a comfortable posture for meditation. You can sit on a cushion or a chair. Keep your back straight but not stiff. Relax your shoulders. Choose a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. It could be a corner of your room or a spot in nature. Make it your own special place. Section 8. Navigating the challenges of meditation. It's normal for your mind to wander during meditation. Don't get discouraged. When you notice your mind wandering, gently guide it back to your breath. Be patient with yourself. Meditation is a practice. It takes time and kindness to develop. With each breath, you are cultivating peace. Section 9. Meditation, a lifelong companion. Meditation is a gift you give yourself. It helps you find peace and clarity in a busy world. Make meditation a part of your daily life. Even a few minutes each day can make a difference. With practice, you can access the peace that resides within you.